everyone, I am Avika Kamboj, working as an assistant professor in Faculty of Pharmacy in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus, Bastada, Karnal. Today we are going to discuss about plant fibers which are used as surgical dressings. So what are plant fibers? Plant fibers are the elongated cells which are thick from the walls and thin or pointed ends, having pointed ends, which are thick from the walls like this, and their ends are pointed, having pointed ends like this. These are the thread-like structures. Plant fibers are fibers are the thread-like structures. They consist of cellulose. They are having cellulose, but presence of lignin is not confirmed. Either it can be present or it cannot be present. Presence of lignin is not confirmed. So plant fibers, if we talk about plant fibers, they can be obtained from any part like leaf, etc. So if a leaf can be covered, or if a leaf can curve towards our finger, or we can curve a leaf through our finger, if it can be curved without any breakage, so it will be having maximum amount of fibers, or it is rich in fibers. So how we classify our fibers? We can classify them as plant fibers. First one is plant fibers. So what are plant fiber? Plant fiber are those which can be obtained from plants, any part of plant like leaf, etc. So example of plant fiber are jute, cotton, or banana, flax, etc. These are the examples of plant fiber. Next is our animal fiber. What are animal fiber? Animal fibers which can be obtained from animals, their skin or any other part. Fibers which can be obtained from any part of animals or any like skin or etc. For example, silk or wool. Wool is obtained from sheep, and silk is obtained from which can we say insect. Silk is obtained from any insect. Next part is our regenerated and synthetic fiber. What are regenerated and synthetic fiber? Like artificial silk or nylon, polyester, etc. These all are our synthetic fibers. Next part is our mineral fibers. What are mineral fiber? Mineral fibers are like glass, asbestos, etc., which are obtained from minerals. So what are their uses? All four type of fibers, these all type of fiber are used in surgical dressings. Like some fibers are used in making gloves, some are in making such like our instruments, or our like scissor, any apparatus, etc., like syringes or anything else. Some are used for insulation purpose, some fibers are used for filtering medium, straining medium, or weaving clothes. Some fibers are used in surgical dressings, lint, gauze, ligatures, etc. So these fibers are very important and mainly used for our surgical purposes. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you like the video, please comment and subscribe our channel.